Hi, my name is Lo Xiao Wei. My matrix number is 270306. Now I'm going to introduce a simple student information system designed by our group using Java application and provide a graphic user interface for user to select and perform. This is the main menu of our information system and there is a welcome message here. There are two buttons in main menu for user to select and perform, which are Get Start button and Exit button. When the user click the Get Start button, it will jump to the page for user to enter the information of student. If the user want to exit the application, they need to click the Back button and click the Exit button. A confirmation exit message will pop up. Now, let us take a look again in the Get Start button. There are various information needed to key in by the user, which are student name, matrix node, program, total coursework mark, and final exam marks. There are several buttons in this system, which are Add button, Clear button, Check button, Search button, and Help button. We will explain the function of each button later. There is a very important function in this system, that is, when the mark is entered by the user, it will calculate automatically based on grading system and show the grade on output. By using the system, the user will increase the efficiency when update the information of student and save the time for calculate the grade manually. The full mark for the coursework mark is only 100 and equal to 60% of the total marks. Meanwhile, the full mark for final exam is also 100 and equal to only 40% of the total marks. To prove that the grading system is really work, let me show you an example. Now, I enter my name, my matrix number, my program. Let's say I'm very excellent in both coursework and exam. I get 100 marks. And when I click the Add button, the information will display and show that my total course mark is 60 and my final exam mark is 40 and my grade is A+ because the total marks is equal to 100. Now we click the Clear button to click all the information we key in. Now I add again another name of my friend, which is Teo Ching Hao. For example, he is not so excellent as me. He only get half of full mark in coursework and final exam. His total mark is only 15 and equal to grade C. If I want to search a student, I can only enter the matrix node. If now I want to search myself, I entered my matrix number. When I click the search button, the output will only display my information, but not others. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Before I'm going to present, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Shahrul Nazmi and my matric number is 273764. So I would like to present about the project that we have made about the button that appear when you open the program. So firstly, there is student name, matric number, program, total coursework mark, final exam marks. So the lecturer will fill in the information about their student at the blanks provided. If they did not fill in each blanks, a message will pop up as error. So let me give you an example. So I put my name on student name, my matric number, and program. So I ignore the total coursework mark and I put it as final mark, exam mark is 80. So it will become error and give the instruction. So please enter a valid number for matric coursework mark or final exam mark. So other than that, for marks, if they put the marks exceed than 100, a message will pop up that the information given is error. So let's say I put it total coursework mark as 300. So the message will give you, please enter 0 until 100 only for coursework mark. Same goes to metric number. If they put an alphabet on the blank, it will show you a message error. So let me give you example. I change my metric number to alphabet. Let's say GH. Okay. So it will pop up the error become, please enter a valid number for metric. So they need to put correct information to proceed. So next, if you can see the left top, there's button back, where the button will back to home page. So it will become welcome to student information system. So we need to log in back. So get start, and at the right top there is button help, where is the button will tell you the function for each button that appear, like add, clear, check, and search. So this is the information what is function of each button. So the filler or lecturer will aware what function for each button. So next, at the left bottom there is button add, which is after the lecturer fill in the information of students, they need to click the button and message will pop up that tell the info about the student has been added. Let's say I put it my name, metric number, total coursework, and my final exam mark. So the message will pop up, a new student is added. Okay. Meanwhile, beside the add button, there is clear button, which is all the information will be cleared automatically. So if you can see, so there is clear. So for the search button, it will search information about student by using metric number. So let's say I add someone, let's say Muhammad, and metric number 65. Let's say 70 and final exam 10. So a new student has been added. So let's say I want to search my result. So I search the metric number 273764. So if you can see, the bottom show you my number, my name, and my program, and the grade also. And lastly, if you can see, there is below the search button, there is check button, where the lecturer easy to check the grade distribution among all the students key in. So let's say I put it someone, Rokia. So if you click the button check, it will appear. So the student get one student get A, one student get C minus, and one student get F. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Finally, we have done our student information system. During making of this application, we face some problem that might delay our working process. First of all is about the file. During the discussion, we have sent a lot of files in our group. This makes us confusing which file is the latest, and sometimes we might save it in the wrong file. Sometimes we might don't understand some part that is handled by other group member. Therefore, we have to make sure all of our members understand about the particular part, then only we will proceed. As a conclusion, the cooperation between the group members and the responsibility play an important role in this task.